Hello my loves and welcome back into my kitchen. I'm Gabrielle Reyes and this is the Colorful Home Cooking Show. So the recipe I have for you all today is fierce, it's fresh, and it's crazy flavorful. It's my raw taco salad and I'm going to show you guys the quickest and easiest way how to make this raw, vegan, and delicious lunch. Raw taco salad, raw taco salad, raw taco salad, raw taco salad. So the first thing I'm going to do is make my walnut meat. And what I'm going to do that is first I have my brown mushrooms. I'm going to pop in about a cup of them. I'm just going to put them in my food processor. Then I'm going to add in my raw walnuts. I'm going to add in about a cup, same amount. And then I have my sun-dried tomatoes. These are going to add a nice meaty texture to the whole dish. I'm going to pop in about half a cup of sun-dried tomatoes. Just going to sprinkle those all in, just like that. And then, of course, the seasoning. This is the key component into making this taste like meat. So what it has in here is some garlic powder, some onion powder, paprika, chili powder, some cumin, a little bit of some dried cilantro, and a splash of cinnamon in there too. So I'm just gonna pop this in here. And of course I've added some salt and pepper to taste, whatever you like to do. And then I'm just gonna give it a good pulse. Ooh. Okay, wow, it is beginning to smell like a meal, you guys. All right, I'm gonna pop this off over to the side. So what I'm gonna do is I have my blender here, and I'm gonna make my cashew crema, and I'm gonna add in about a cup of cashews. And these are raw cashews, of course. And then I'm gonna add in a splash of lime juice, just a little bit, just like that. And then I'm gonna add in about 2 cups of plant-based milk. I'm using coconut milk today. You can use whatever you want. I like coconut milk because it's nice and thick, and the one I use doesn't have too much flavor in it, so it picks up whatever delicious seasoning I'm putting in there. And the delicious seasoning I'm putting in there is some garlic powder, some onion powder, some salt, and then a ton of nutritional yeast. I'm just gonna pop that in there. And of course, like I always say, seasoning is everything. So you want to make sure that you are adding the right amount of seasoning, and you want to make sure it is packed with flavor. So I'm going to give this a blend. All right. Ooh, that smells super flavorful. Okay, I am ready to put everything together. I'm going to get these things in some other bowls, and we're going to make the salad, mix it all together, and get going. All right, so now that I have my walnut meat and my cashew crema, I'm gonna incorporate all of my other delicious raw ingredients. So the first thing I'm gonna add in are some chopped cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna add in about a cup. And this serving is gonna be for about 5 to 6 people, just keep that in mind. And then I'm gonna add in some diced avocado. You can add in as much avocado as you want. Personally, I'm gonna add in a whole avocado because I love it. Then I'm gonna add in some red onion. About half of a red onion will be perfect. And then some cilantro. It's gonna add a ton of delicious fresh flavors to it. Of course, some pepitas. I like the nice crunch that these bring to the salad. I'm just gonna sprinkle those all in, just like that. And then I'm gonna add in our walnut meat that we made. I'm gonna add in about half of how much I made. This is gonna add a great amount of plant protein, fiber, and deliciousness, of course. There we go. There's our walnut meat, and of course, our cashew crema. Just gonna drizzle this over the top, just like that. And then let's give it a mix, and we'll be ready to serve. Make sure to incorporate that dressing into all of your elements. And I'm making a mess, but that's okay. Make your mess. You're just gonna be a delicious mess. All right, make sure all of that walnut meat is on all the pieces of lettuce. You wanna make sure to distribute it that. Okay, now that I've made a beautiful, colorful mess, I think we are ready to serve. Okay. Get my bowl. Got a good portion of this. This is gonna be great lunch. You could do this for dinner. Also, Ace was talking about popping this into a sandwich. I know he loves a sandwich. So that's a possibility too, if you want to do that. Let's take a bite. Get a little bit of everything in there. Come on, baby, come on. Yes! Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay. First things first, the meat is everything. It's hearty. It's got a nice smoky flavor to it from that paprika I used. The avocado's got that nice buttery, earthy goodness to it. It's good, y'all. And you guys saw how easy it was to make this delicious, colorful, home-cooked meal. All these ingredients you can find anywhere. Go down to your grocery store, pick up some of these delicious things, y'all. Get yourself cooking, get yourself glowing, get yourself going, get yourself making yourself a raw taco salad. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you get in the kitchen, get yourself glowing, and make yourself a raw taco salad, you guys. I'll see you all next week, and I love you all. Bye.